Today we are going through the basics of pulling an espresso shot. I'm going to take you through the process from beginning till the end when we pull our shots. What are the steps that you need to follow as a barista? So here is my workspace. I have my grinder here, my automatic temper. But for this process, I'm not going to use an automatic temper, assuming you do not have one. And then this is my espresso machine. And I'm going to use a dose of 18 grams and also a yield of 36 grams of espresso out. So I'm going to start with step one, taking the filter basket out of the group head. Make sure it is dry. I'm going to use a dosing funnel so that it doesn't spill all over the place. My grinder is programmed to pull about 18 grams of coffee beans. I'm going to measure it. Step one, dose. Okay, make sure you get that 18 grams there. So this one is not quite 18, but it is close, 17.7 to 18, plus or minus 0.5, that is fine. Step two, distribute the grinds evenly. Step three, level. Step four, temp. Next step is to pull your espresso shot. Flush before you insert the filter basket in the group head. Pull your shots. Next step, take your portafilter out of the group head, flush, knock, wipe your basket clean again using the cloth provided for it, and then put it back in the group head to make sure that your filter basket is always warm. Now you should have a cloth here that you can use to clean your workspace. So this is for the table, also for the drip tray. I hope this is useful. I'll see you again for more tips.